Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for 21 in Tennessee on a Stryker SR-655hp. 21 got it ready to go for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. 1.5 watts all the way down. Go over your 100-watt slug, roll it up. 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing, which might I mentioned before, the most you had was 8 bird. Hello, 42 average. Peak power. Hello, 80 watts peak. Roll the carrier down to 1.5 watts. Hello, still 80 watts. So we've increased your average power by, what, 400%? Ought to work out good for you. Hey, 21, I hope you enjoy it. We've added the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFETs for durability. It's good to go. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.